hey, I was gonna make lunch and then I thought, why not have my online friends make lunch with me? So I have some chicken that I want to use and I'm wanting something Greek today. So I make my own little vinaigrette. It's a Dijon. I think I used white wine vinaigrette and then I used basil, parsley, oregano, some garlic salt, and lemon juice, and then I mix it all up so it kind of looks like this, and then it kind of separates, but just give it a little shake. I got this bottle at the dollar store, a little vinaigrette bottle. It's so cute. So I make my own little Greek vinaigrette. Really easy. So I'm going to put you in my little doodad again so you can watch. Okay. There we go. Just saying, I had the overnight oats, the strawberries and cream overnight oats this morning, and oh my goodness, they were like the best thing I've ever had. I think that's one of my new favorite breakfasts right now. So I have the I Dream of Tahini, or whatever we're going to call it, but I kind of like that one. I have that one left, so then after that I might have to do another strawberries and cream because it was so good. So let's make lunch. So I'm testing out some avocado soft serve. So it's like avocado, banana, raspberries, and vanilla. So that's my fat and fruit. So all I have left is my protein and vegetables for lunch. So I'm gonna make a creamy Greek chicken salad. I have some leftover cooked peas I'm gonna put in it. Because I don't know, peas in a salad are just so good. Oop, let me turn my notifications off. Turn my sound down. Okay. So I have some leftover cooked chicken that I have to use. This is the last day before it gets rotten or isn't good anymore. So let's get our scales. Let me put this down so you can see. There we go. Okay. So I have my little scale. You're going to want a big bowl because this is going to be really big. So I'm going to do 2 ounces of chicken, which hopefully I have enough chicken. I'm going to wash my hands again just to make sure. I gotta dry them. Okay, now we're all sanitized and clean. Now we can touch our chicken. Alright, so we're going to do 2 ounces of chicken. I just bake this in the oven, and then it's kind of nice to just have it in the fridge. So I'm going to do 2 ounces chicken. What are you guys going to have for lunch today? Did you plan anything for lunch? Or are you just going to wing it? Alright, so we want 2 ounces. And I'm going to kind of shred it so it's small pieces. 1.7. Two. Okay. I'm gonna rinse my hands, get this chicken off. Okay. Then I'm going to do 2 ounces Greek yogurt to make it super creamy. And this is just a plain Greek yogurt. My favorite is the Aldi's brand. It's whole milk Greek yogurt. It's so creamy. That's my favorite. So I'm going to do 2 ounces, and that's 1/4 of my protein. So with this and the chicken, that's 3/4 of my protein. 1.6. 2. Perfect. Then I'm going to add my vinaigrette, my Greek vinaigrette. That's the Dijon mustard. So it's Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and then I did parsley, basil, oregano, some garlic salt, and then white wine vinaigrette. You can use a red wine vinaigrette, or you could use a balsamic vinaigrette. And I think I do mostly the vinaigrette in it, and then so I do about that much vinaigrette, about a teaspoon or two of Dijon, and then the rest lime juice, and then just spices. So I just kind of eyeball it. So I'm going to drizzle some of this on there, get it a little liquidy. And then I'm going to mix it up. So this is kind of what we got right now. So I'm going to mix it so now my chicken is nice and coated with my creamy stuff. Okay, now I'm going to add 6 ounces of vegetables. So I have some cooked peas. Sprinkle some of those on. I'm going to grab another spoon. And I'm just going to keep going until I get to 6 ounces. I have radishes, some green onion, some spring mix, and I think that's about it because this stuff weighs a lot sometimes, and then you don't get too much. So I'm going to do a scoop or 2 of peas. I'm going to chop some radishes. I think I'll do 2 radishes. I'm going to wash them first. Grab a cutting board. And then you kind of want to make them small pieces if you're making kind of a chopped salad. You're not going to want really big chunks. So kind of pieces like this. They're pretty small. Or if you like big chunks, you can do big chunks. It's all up to what you want to make it. You could use cucumbers if you had cherry tomatoes. I was hoping to have cherry tomatoes, but we're out right now. But that's okay. This will still be yummy. I'm going to do some green onion. Do about 2 of them. Well, let's do 3. We're going to do 3 green onions. I'll wash them first. We're going to chop these nice and small. Let's see how much we got now. So we're at 2.7 ounces. So let's add a handful of spring mix. Or 2. I like spring mix. So we're at 4 ounces. So let's do peas. I'm going to finish off with, ooh, there's some asparagus in here too. I think I'll put that in there. That'll be yummy. But I think I'm going to cut them in half because they're quite long. Again, our goal is 6 ounces. So we're almost there. We're at 4.9. 5.5. Let's add a scoop of peas. Oops. 6.2. That's too much. Take some out. 6.1. Keep going. 6. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to mix this up a little bit. And then we have a fourth of a protein left because we have 2 ounces chicken, that's half a protein. Then 2 ounces Greek yogurt, that's a fourth of a protein. So we have 1/4 protein left. And for those of you who just tuned in, I have my fat in something else that I'm having for lunch. So that's why there's no fat in this. You could add a tablespoon of mayo if you want to have fat in this, or you could do 2 ounces of avocado. That would be delicious on this. Just gonna mix this real good. So you want everything coated in the creamy mixture. I'm gonna add a little bit more of my fat-free vinaigrette. There's no fat in here, just vinegar and Dijon mustard and lime juice and spices. This will help everything mix easier. What we got so far. Doesn't that look good? There's just something about creamy salad dressing. Alright, now I need 1/4 of a protein. So I think I'm going to do, I have some sunflower kernels and I'm going to do some hemp seeds. So I'm going to do a 1/2 ounce total of both of these on my salad. You could do walnuts. That would be really good. You could do pecans. You could do another ounce of chicken if you want. Do I want to do another ounce of chicken? No, I'm going to do the nuts. Yeah. So we're going to do a 1/2 ounce. Yeah, 1/2 ounce of sunflower kernels. And hemp seeds together. Perfect, 0.5. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning because this stuff is just so good. Just a dash of that, some sea salt. And there you have it. You got your yummy, creamy avocado with some nuts on it. Chicken Greek salad. Now I'm going to go have my lunch. Thanks for watching. Thanks for cooking with me. It was fun having you guys in my kitchen again. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. With joy, Natalie.